Most table saw sleds aren't dead-on square out of the box. I researched dozens of options and filtered 5 that actually deliver repeatable cuts according to real woodworkers. What I found about table saw sled fence systems will prevent you from buying one that won't hold alignment. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we've got something a bit different from the rest of this list. This is the Woodpeckers Joinery Sled Table Saw Jig, and right away, understand what this is and what it isn't. This is not a general-purpose crosscut sled. It's a purpose-built joinery jig. Box joints, finger joints, angle joinery. If that's specifically what you need, this thing is seriously well thought out. The micro-adjustability is where it shines. A bearing-guided lead screw lets you dial in joint fit with real precision. We're talking the kind of fine-tuning that makes box joints just slide together. For tight-fitting joinery, that level of control is everything. You get 9 inches of overall extension, 5.5 from base plate travel, 3.5 more from the adjustable base. Covers a solid range of stock widths without feeling limited, and the angle adjustment locks anywhere between 44 and 91 degrees. That opens the door to compound miters and angled cuts that most standard sleds simply cannot touch. 3 track grooves in the fence system give you flexibility for repositioning and clamping down stock. That matters a lot when you're running different widths through repeated cuts and need things locked tight. Now, here's where I have to be straight with you. Straight with. This is a premium specialized tool. If you're mostly making square crosscuts and basic miters, it's more jig than you need. It earns its spot for woodworkers doing serious joinery who demand repeatable, dead-on results. Cut after cut after cut. What tips the scale is the build quality. Precision machined and assembled in Strongsville, Ohio. Woodpeckers has built a name on tight tolerances, and this sled fits that reputation. There's also a detail worth mentioning. It doubles as a router table jig, which adds genuine versatility to a tool that could otherwise feel too niche. If joinery accuracy keeps you up at night, give this one a hard look. The link is in the description. At number 4, we've got the Rockler Small Parts Crosscut Sled, and this one fills a very specific niche. If you've ever tried cutting dowels, small moldings, or tenon stock on a table saw, you know the problem. Tiny pieces bind, kick, or just disappear into the throat plate. It's sketchy. This sled exists to solve exactly that. Zero clearance support underneath means small parts don't fall through or get jammed between the blade and the insert. That alone is a serious safety win. Rockler designed it with a miter track stop that limits forward travel, plus a rear-mounted adjustable blade guard. There's also a hold-down clamp included. Worth noting, the clamp is plastic, not metal. Sounds like a downgrade until you realize it's non-conductive. If you're running a saw stop, that actually matters. It won't accidentally trigger the flesh-sensing brake. Now, here's where I have to be straight. This thing is built mostly from MDF. It works fine on the saw, but it's not something you toss around the shop. People have reported it flexing or cracking if handled carelessly. Think of it as a precision jig, not a job site tool. Treat it accordingly, and it'll serve you well. One owner uses it as a template to eventually build a more durable version, which is honestly a pretty clever approach. The other thing to check before buying is your miter slot size. This fits standard 3/4 and 3/8 inch slots. If you're running an older saw with narrower 5/8 inch slots, it won't fit without modification. A few owners learned that the hard way. Measure your slot first. Save yourself the headache. Capacity tops out around 1 inch of material thickness. Some folks wish it handled a touch more. Fair point. But for repeatable small parts cuts, it does the job cleanly and safely. Rockler carries real weight in woodwork, and the design thinking here is solid. Just don't expect it to survive rough handling long term. If you need a dedicated small parts sled and you'll store it properly, it's a smart pick. You'll find the link in the description. Number 3 on the list is the Peachtree Dubby cutoff sled. This is where things get interesting for anyone who cuts angles regularly. Most crosscut sleds do one thing well: straight 90-degree cuts. The Dubby does that too, but its real strength is angled work. The built-in scale has pre-marked lines for any polygon from 4 to 16 side. Hexagons, octagons, heptagons, no math, no calculator app, no test cuts, just set it and go. And here's what I think is genuinely smart. That angle scale is 15 to 20 times more accurate than a standard miter gauge. That's not just talk when you consider how sloppy most gauge detent systems really are. The Dubby replaces all of that with a readable scale that actually holds its setting. For straight crosscuts, it handles panels up to 24 inches wide by 52 inches long. The material rides on the sled, not across the saw top. That eliminates the walking problem where big panels drift mid-cut. For cabinet work and furniture panels, that matters a lot. Safety is another strong point. The hold-down clamp delivers 35 pounds of pressure. For tiny molding or small frame parts, it keeps everything locked. Your fingers stay well clear of the blade, and it pivots out of the way when you don't need it. But here's the catch. Compatibility. The Sled needs a 3/4 inch miter slot, at least 27 inches of table depth, and specific blade to slot spacing. Most cabinet and contractor saws fit fine. Most job site saws do not. Measure your saw before you order. That step is non-negotiable. For anyone building frames or cutting angles with any regularity, this is probably the most purpose-built option on the list. It solves problems a homemade sled simply cannot solve as cleanly. You'll find the link in the description.
These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you with zero spam. Link in the description.
At number 2, we've got the Infinity Crosscut Sled, and there's something genuinely smart about how this one is designed. Most crosscut sleds give you one side of the blade to work. This one gives you both. That means you can set up a cut on either side without repositioning your workpiece. For repetitive smaller cuts, that saves real time and keeps your workflow moving. The miter bar uses spring-loaded ball detents for zero play in the slot. That's the kind of detail that matters for repeatable cuts. No shimming, no fiddling with set screws to eliminate slop. It locks into the track and runs true. The replaceable zero clearance plates are a nice touch too. Once you chew through one, swap it out instead of retiring the whole sled. You get inserts for 90 and 45 degrees out of the box. Now, here's where I have to be straight. The instructions are not great. Some owners had smooth assembly. Others found the documentation genuinely confusing, especially around the flip stop and the adjustable front fence. If you like clear step-by-step guidance, be ready to figure a few things out yourself. There's also been a report of threaded insert screws breaking during tighten. At this price point, that shouldn't happen. That said, Infinity's customer service gets consistent praise. One owner received the sled with missing parts, called them up, and had replacements shipped next day. That kind of responsiveness matters with a premium product. The toggle clamp hold down is functional but basic. A few owners have already swapped theirs for something beefy. Worth knowing if your stock needs serious clamping pressure. Where this sled really shines is small to medium projects where precision and repeatability matter. Cut after cut. It pairs well with portable DeWalt saws, which a lot of shops run these days. Just know the footprint is compact. If you need to cross-cut wide panels regularly, this is not your sled. For the right use case, it's a serious and well-built tool. You'll find the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And taking the top spot, the Woodpeckers AutoScale Miter Sled Right. This is the one where engineering and precision stop being marketing words and start being the entire point. Let me get straight to what makes this different from everything else on this list. The auto-adjusting fence pivot. On a traditional miter sled, the moment you swing away from 90 degrees, your length scale drifts. You compensate, you measure twice, you still end up fiddling. Woodpeckers solved. The scale stays calibrated automatic from 0 to 60 degrees. That is genuinely clever design, and it matters every single time you set up a compound. The table itself is machined phenolic, not MDF, not plywood with a laminate face. Phenolic doesn't move with humidity or temperature swing. Your shop gets hot in summer, cold in winter. This sled stays dead on flat. That kind of dimensional stability is what separates a tool you trust from one you constantly second guess. Now, here is the honest tension. This is a premium tool with a premium cost, and you are buying the right side sled only. The left sled and the drop zone table are sold separate. So, the full system ADDS UP. For weekend hobbyists who mostly do 90-degree crosscuts, this is overkill. No way around that. But if you are doing angled joinery, picture frames, segmented work, or anything where repeatable miters at odd angles matter, this sled eliminates a whole category of frustration. The leaf spring miter bar self-adjusts to your slot. The protractor is laser engraved in half-degree increments, and the fence extends out to 50 inches. Every detail is built around holding alignment and giving you repeatable cuts without babysitting the setup. Woodpeckers has a reputation for a reason. They build tools for people who are serious about accuracy and willing to invest in it. If that is you, this belongs at the top. You will find the link in the description. Now you know which sleds actually hold alignment and which ones you'd be fighting to keep square. Stock on specialty jigs like these tends to move, so if one fits your shop, the links are in the description.